Hey everyone, I got a requested sandwich here. It's the Fool's Gold Loaf, otherwise known as the other Elvis sandwich. I could never eat it myself, so I'm going to make it for my birthday, for my friends. Like my friend Greg and Sandwich Lad. For those unaware, a Fool's Gold Loaf is a full loaf of French bread, half a jar of peanut butter, half a jar of grape jelly, and a pound of bacon. As you can see here, it was originally constructed by the Colorado Mine Company, a restaurant in Denver. Elvis purportedly had them flown out to Graceland every once in a while. Well, first we gotta put margarine on it and toast it, I guess. All right, so the bread is toasted and the bacon is cooked. All right, so a half jar of peanut butter has now gone on to the bottom, and then half a jar of grape jelly on the top here, and now the bacon. All right, so peanut butter, jam, and bacon on a toasted full French loaf. All right, Fool's Gold Loaf. And the cut, and the reveal. Then we serve to friends. Tell me how it is, everyone.
That's good.
So, the Fool's Gold Loaf, you heard it here first in the Yukon. The real gold was the Fool's Gold, right?
Boo!
Sandwich Dad, good day.